tūwhera o te arakia wātea ki te whaiao ki te ao marama. Tihei mauri ora. Ko te arakia tūwhera o te arakia wātea ki te whaiao ki te ao marama. Tihei mauri ora. Mama, Papa.
Taku Pepe.
Mama, Papa.
Oh, Taku Pepe.
Oh, he piwari hoki.
There's no time. We need to open a portal down the Maunga.
Taihoa, hei hea Tiare.
Oh, he's gone to catch up with someone.
His cousins?
Yeah, sure, his cousins.
Come on, guys. We need to go.
The Rohu have the godsticks, but they don't have the sense to use them properly. They'll lead us right where we need to be. Let him. The more he uses the godsticks, the weaker he'll become. Huh. Look who's still skulking around.
They don't trust me anymore.
Huh. Trust? You were never one of them. And now? Now you're not even part of this. You've served your purpose, boy. Did you really think you were actually essential to my plan?
I just wanted to prove I could be someone.
You've proven something, all right. That you're nothing. Go. Once the portal opens, I'll have everything I need.
Kei te pai koe.
Who are you?
Just someone passing through time. I rongo au, I'm not sure you should trust them.
It doesn't matter. I messed up. They don't want me. No one does.
And what do you want? You don't need them to prove you're someone. You just need to decide who you want to be.
You don't think it's too late?
It's never too late to do the right thing.
I've got to warn them, but they'll never believe me.
Oh, I don't know. I find everything happens for a reason. You'll work it out.
That was too close.
Wait, you can smell an avalanche?
Ah, that would be quite a trick. It's good to see you all in one piece.
Hehana. Hekuro?
Something fishy. I knew it. Scaly sea vampires. Oh, those Porokanui.
Kao, kawaii pena.
How are we supposed to get home now?
The Porokanui! They're still in the waka!
Oh, really? Thanks for the heads up, Tiare.
Kaihua, how did you know about this?
Go on, Tiare. Tell them. Tell everyone how you know. You were Porokanui's snitch, sabotaging us from the start.
Tiare, kei te tika?
I'm sorry. I didn't.
I knew it! I told you!
We need another portal.
All the way home?
It's our only way.
Ko te ara kia tūwhera, ko te ara kia wātea, ki te whai au, ki te ao marama, tihei, mauri ora.
E neke, I naia nei.
Taiwa! Taiwa! Don't leave me here!
But you've got so many cousins, don't you?
No, really! I know what Porokanui's planning. Please, just...
Kua tae te wā.
I'm ready.
I know you will save the rohe.
My mama gave this to me, so you don't forget us.
It's solar powered.
Ka rawe.
You'll figure it out.
Ki te whai au, ki te ao marama. Tihe mauri ora, ki te ao marama.
Wait! Wait!
Tiare,
Porokanui is coming for the godsticks.
Why should we trust you?
Because I'm trying to help. I'm telling the truth this time. I was just trying to pull off something legendary, you know? Prove I had what it takes to...
what? Prove you could be a devious traitor?
All right, fair call. I had that coming. But hey, I didn't know. I didn't realize Porokanui was playing everyone, including me.
Well, Porokanui is tricky.
And you lot, you're as epic as the stories say. For once, I wasn't even exaggerating.
You tricked us.
No, I didn't.
Ha! Did you really think you could outsmart me? The godsticks are mine!
Come and get it, Scaly Bones!
Ko te ara kia tūwhera. Ko te ara kia wātea. Ki te whai au, ki te ao marama. Ki hei mauri ora, ki te ao marama. Ko te ara kia tūwhera. Ko te ara kia wā, ki te whai au, ki te ao mana. Ki hei mauri rohe.
Ko te mauri ke a koe, ko te mauri rere, whano atura, ko te aukawa ke a koe.
Look out! Rangi! Dad! Dad?
Everything happens for a reason.